IEBC commissioners have a date with the Government Interagency Committee established to deliberate on the commissioners' exit package and facilitate a seamless transition at the Electoral Commission. A meeting convened by Chief of Staff and Head of Public Service Joseph Kinyua and attended by National Treasury Cabinet Secretary Henry Rotich, his Principal Secretary Dr. Kamau Thuge, Public Service Cabinet Secretary Cecily Kariuki, Solicitor General Nje Muturi, Salaries and Remuneration Commission Chair Sarah Serem, and Interior Affairs Principal Secretary Dr. Karanja Kibicho established a committee that will tomorrow engage IEBC commissioners on their preferred terms of exit. IEBC Chairman Ahmed Issack Hassan and his 8 commissioners have drafted a 200 million shillings exit package proposal that comprises remuneration for their unexpired term that lapses in November next year, gratuity calculated at 30% of their annual earnings for each year worked, and other allowances entitled to them as part of the negotiated settlement.
I have very strong views about what has happened, but I don't want to go there now. As I said, there was a political settlement, and we have to agree to that issue.
But even as the government negotiates with the commissioners on their vacation from office, the 30th September exit timeline proposed by the Joint Parliamentary Select Committee co-chaired by Senators Kiraitu Murungi and James Orengo is untenable, despite CORD leader Raila Odinga's insistence that Hassan and his team move out by close of business on Friday.
Even if you're saying you are going to pay them, but at least they should be given letters of termination so that when the others come, they start afresh. So we really don't want to have these people in office come 1st of October.
The timelines which were put in the report are not what's in the Act. The Act does not talk about September 30th. There's no timeline called September 30th. It is just talks about vacation from office after negotiation with the commissioners, and thereafter the President will declare a vacancy.
The Interagency Committee holds that the Commissioner's exit package can only be implemented once the Election Laws Amendment Act of 2016 takes effect on Tuesday.
Those who we have spoken to have told us they will talk to us and engage us after the law has become effective.
The Kiraitu Orengo Committee recommended that current IEBC commissioners exit once new commissioners are recruited and sworn in to ensure there was no vacuum at the electoral body. Religious organizations have nominated 5 representatives to the selection panel that will recruit 7 IEBC commissioners. Jubilee and CORD are yet to submit their 4 nominees to the 9-member selection panel. Jubilee leaders met President Uhuru Kenyatta at State House today to deliberate on a mechanism of picking the 2 nominees. It is projected that new IEBC commissioners will be recruited by the end of next month or early November. Francis Gashuri for The Big Question.